Hello! Today I'm going to be going over the USACO 2019 January Contest Bronze Problem 2 Sleepy Cow Sorting. You can pause the video to read the question. Now let's look at the input format. The first line is the number of cows, which is 4 in this case. And then the next line is going to be a string of integers, which is 1, 2, 4, 3. And then Farmer John is now trying to get the cows in order. So he's trying to make them 1, 2, 3, 4. Now he can only move the first cow. And even though it is phrased differently, the point is that Farmer John can move the first cow into any place in the line that he wants. So if we have 1, 2, 4, 3 in this case, the output is going to be a single integer, which is the number of steps or the number of cows moved. So for this, the 3 stays the same, and 1 is going to be moved in front of the 3, 2 in front of the 3 behind the 1, then the 4 is going to be moved at the end to have 1, 2, 3, 4 in 3 moves, which is the most optimal way to get them in order. So this is how we are going to read the input. The first line is going to be n, which is, I'm going to do int every line of sleepy in, which is where we are going to get the input from. Then the next line is going to be a list of the numbers here. Now this is how I got the input. So it's going to be n equals 4, equals 1, 2, 4, 3 is going to be how it is saved in our n list. So let's start the coding now. The answer is going to start with 1. So I'm going to start from the back, then count the number of cows that can be kept the same. Then I can subtract that from the total number of cows to get the number of cows or the number of moves that we need to make. So let's say cows, let's say in place, which is going to be 1. Then for I in range, I'm going to start from the second to the last cow. So I'm going to start with the 4 here, -2. Then we are going to go until the first number, which is -1. So we're going to 0 and then -1 because we are going backwards. So if the number here is less than the number after it, so basically the 4 here is larger than the 3, so it has to be moved, which means everything in front of it also has to be moved. So I'm going to add in place. If it is in place, I'm going to add 1. And if not, I'm going to break the for loop. Then I'm going to return the output and file sleepy out. So with open sleepy.out, and I'm going to use W, so as F, and then let's do F right string because we need to print it in string format. And then we're going to do n, which is the total number of cows minus the in place cows to find the total number of moves needed. Enter after it. Here, sleepy.out. And now I'm going to submit this using Python 3. And there. I hope this helped and thank you for watching.